How's it going, everyone? We're gonna go over, since Rivian is running, FFIE is kind of getting some of that umph, right? It's up 12% as we speak. Rivian was up over, like over 50%. So, these electric vehicles are starting to get, those sympathy rallies, and that's what FFIE is doing here. I did not check GME. I want to check GME, see if they're going up. So yeah, it's just the electric. GME is not up, and AMC is down. So this is FFIE. So what we're gonna do is what is going on here? And I told you guys countless and countless of times, this one is great for making money as long as you're very conservative. It's not a long-term hold. This is an in and out type of play. If we go to the 5 minute chart, we didn't really see any plays for day trading. Um, Let me see if I saw any 1 minute trades. We kind of hit the lower band here, right in here. If you guys know my system, could have been a nice little trade, but I wouldn't have. Honestly, I wouldn't have taken that because we don't have the time distance. But as you can see, this thing has been doing pretty well. But the main thing I liked here was a nice little thing here, and then it started going all the way up, hit the upper band, sold off a little. What I liked about this right here is it's going to hit the EMA 5 quite often. But the problem with these kind of trades is they're getting a little risky, right? This thing has literally just filled in the first gap. As you can see, we had this gap right in here. It filled all this black space in. This candle, as you can see with my cursor, definitely filled the gap. The only last gap I see, which I really hope it don't fill, is this gap right in here. Could we fill that? Yes, anything's possible in trading. But like I said, guys, we need to really start focusing entries below the EMA 5. As you can see, when you have more black space, look at this black space right in here where the candle's not touching anything. That is very bullish for a nice short-term correction. And when I say is when you see this and you have time distance, we have time distance of the EMA 5. We have 1, 2. We're on our third daily candle of time distance with this big black space of nothing. Price will tend to fill in this area. And if you go from 22 cents and you hit let's say you hit the EMA 5, it's at 36 cents. That is massive returns. Like, let me show you guys 0.22 and let's say 0.30. That's a 36%. I'd be looking for just a conservative 10% bounce and I'd be fine. And we already got that. Um, we're up 11% as we speak. We were a little higher, 12% right now. This thing moves fast, but yeah. If you guys are in it, you guys know how I feel about it. This is not a long-term hold. This is an in and out type of play. You know if you guys don't know my strategy, there's a link down below to join my premium Discord of how I win over 95% of my trades. There's lots of ways to do my system. I'm doing this based on the EMA 5 strategy. And if you guys don't know, I just released an education video right here, the EMA 5 strategy. It's exclusive only for my Discord members. Just posted it. And it has a really high win ratio. And the reason is because we know price is always going to hit these EMA 5s very fast. So we look for ways to, get precise entries. That way we're setting ourselves up. That way when it hits this EMA 5, it tends to reject. And so it's going to hit this EMA 5 and then it goes right back down. We know we have to hit the EMA 10 and the EMA 20, which is these two lines here, but there's just not enough time distance on EMA 5 to really be like, wow, I had to get in this trade for the longer term targets. This is a short term target type of trade. This is a day trading type of trade. I will alert this in my day trade community sometimes if it shows a setup, and that's really about all I see in this, right? So everyone that's holding FFIE, I'm truly am sorry for the people who lost the money. I'm truly am sorry for other people pumping this and dumping it on people, or just being even not that. It's just being just not knowing the stock market. A lot of people see these kind of things. And this is red flags to me because we're hitting the upper band. I showed you guys multiple times when we hit the lower band, there's lots of good targets. And I'll show you guys again and again. The same thing is you can use my A plus setups are when price hits my lower band, which is this green band, which is an ATR 4, price hits it, we have time distance not hitting the 10 and 20, we tend to go back to these levels. As you can see, here's the 10 touch, we consolidate more, and then we touch the 20. And it happens quite often, guys. It really does. There's always a stock that's going to show you guys this. And here is another example. Beautiful penetration of the lower band. We accumulate the shares properly to hit that conservative 5 and 10. And yeah, don't beat yourself up, guys. We all lose trades. It's just learning from it. I've had my fair share of trades I lost. And I was like, you know what? I am sick of losing. I love trend reversals. I am never chasing again. And I built this system so I never have FOMO. I see when price is overextended because it's above the upper band. Where does price correct short term is this EMA 5 here. As you can see, we're always touching the EMA 5. And so when I'm looking at FFIE, we have this big black space right in here. So it's like a very, like, yeah, the entries are looking better. I would not take it on these two candles because there's not enough time distance. And even this third candle really is not enough time distance. But there's so much black space that if you're going to take a stab at it, this is the time to take it. Another thing I am showing is we're at 12.16K on the KDJ. It's not extremely low, but it's getting there. So yeah, FFIE, congrats anyone that took it. You know, you're up 13%. This thing was obviously way down here. If you can see even on the 15-minute chart, yeah, if you use higher time frames, you can see you had nice little accumulation patterns right down in here if you really liked it. FFIE from, wow, hit 19 cents around 4 in the morning if anyone was awake that early. But yeah, I would have made, you know, really nice gains there. Holy crap, 19 cents? Let's see what that adds up to. 57% gain. Yeah, 19 cents to around 30. Obviously, you wouldn't get the whole thing. But like I said, getting the 10 to 20% range is good. I would have took 10% gain in and out and keep rinsing and repeating. Like I say, guys, a lot of people would love to make 10%. In my community, I am on track to make 50% gains a month. And I have the proof to show that. I'm trying to build accounts that, you know, can get very conservative. I'm not here to get rich quick, right? We're here to stay in the game. How do you make money consistently? And this is the strategy to do it. So, yep, what we're looking for is an EMA 5 touch and then a rejection on FFIE. That's all we're looking for. In and out type of play. If you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. You guys know where to find my education. If you want to join the premium Discord where you can win most of your trades, where you can understand why you take trades, where you know the entries and exits, and there's so much to learn in this strategy. Yes, it's not like super, I think it is super easy, but after so many questions, we have all the questions that are answered, and I think you're going to really like it. We have, you know, even someone that made a ChatGPT script that can help you in real time, you know, just research everything about this. So if you click the link down below, there's a YouTube link that's pinned. It's in my YouTube comments. Join the premium Discord to be a profitable trader. What's going to happen? You take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is head on over to the server shop right up in the top left, where you can see Swing Trading Plus and Dayton Swing Trading Plus. Trade like a pro, guys, and I mean it here. You know, I'm going to work my butt off to make you guys all profitable, consistent traders, and discipline. You know, I truly believe in discipline. I was in the Army for 4 years. I understand the nature of, you know, physical stress, mental stress. You know, I was a paratrooper, and trading is extremely hard. We all know that. If trading was easy, everyone would do it, right? It's one of the most financial freedom. You could trade anywhere in the world, and I promise you guys, you can get to this same level. I've been doing this for over 6 years. I blew a lot of accounts, and with this system, it has woke me up. It's showed me a way to trade. I have spent countless and countless of hours, and so you can get all this education for $12 a month for my day in swing trading alerts. If you just want swing trading alerts, sure, I have something for that, and it's only $6 a month. Just choose what you want. The $12 a month will unlock everything. You're going to get everything in my channel. And I just want to show that, like, because FFIE is one of the most depressing tickers. It had one of the biggest rallies. Anytime a ticker has a big rally, there's depression. You know, you might think like, oh, everyone's making money, but I'm telling you, lots of people have lost their money on this. Lots of people have, you know, have really, really went into depression, literally. And I'm here for you guys. I don't think it's funny, but yes, I've been in that situation and I learned from it, and you can too. try this strategy. I'm here to help you guys. This is FFIE. We're aiming for the EMA 5. That is roughly at 36 cents. It's going to fluctuate, so do keep in mind it might be at 35 tomorrow. So that's really all it for FFIE. We're having this little rally because of Rivian, so I'm happy for you all guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. I'll be in the Discord to help anyone. And peace out.